In this video, I'm going to show a basic example of how to use Spark bars, Spark columns. This is a feature that's available in Excel 2010 and up. It allows you to make a quick and simple visualization of data in your spreadsheet, and for which I'm going to be using census data available from the Stats Canada website, which I've downloaded in CSV format and have here on the screen. I'm going to look at population in the Ottawa region and in the province of Ontario by age category. So first thing you're going to do is select the data. I'm going to put it onto a separate sheet just to make it a little easier to work with. I'm also just going to select the 20s and up, just because if I have too much it's going to clutter the page a bit. So for the sake of a good example, we'll leave that out. Do a little bit of cleanup of it. We don't need the notes and the flag columns. And we also know that we're dealing with age, so we can get rid of that. What I'd like to have here is a progression from left to right by age. So I'm going to want to transpose the rows and columns. To do that, simply select the data, copy it, click outside your selected range, and go Paste Special, and select Transpose, and that will flip those around. Now, because I want to leave room for the visualization itself, and a lot of the column is taken up by the header, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of years from each of them just so they don't need to be as wide. So all I'm doing is saying get rid of the last 6 characters in the header, because it'll be the years word plus the space in front of it. With the exception of the last, which is a little different format, and we'll just do 85 plus. So now for actually creating the Spark columns, what you need to do is select the data itself. You don't need to select any headers, and we already have this sorted in the correct order. And then on the Insert tab, under the Sparkline section, you simply select the columns, make sure that location range is active, and that's all there really is to it. You can clean it up a bit, make it a little bit more obvious by expanding the size of the row, or the size of the column. You can do the size of the row as well. So we'll adjust the row height. Let's say make it 25 instead of 15. And this allows you to have a very quick visualization of the progression of data across a series. If I was going to be including this in a report, of course you'd want to ensure that you have additional things such as your section headers. Oops. And of course any other visual formatting you'd generally apply.